Hello, welcome to Sam's Computer Repair Incorporated. Today we're going to do a simple task today, show you how to operate a computer. I did my first part of the session already, just to log into my encrypted folder, which is called the root folder. As you can see here, this is the Fedora operating system, and it's running on a Linux operating system platform. So it's a really neat feature. I think you'll really love it. I would recommend to try it someday. If you have an older system, I would definitely recommend to get this operating system. It's for free. If you just go to Fedora, I believe it's Fedora, getfedora.org. It's on the Red Hat session platform. So today I just did my first part already of this video. I turned on the computer. I put my encrypted folder first. And what we're going to do next, we're just going to basically log in, and I'm going to show you how to operate the system. The last part of the video I showed you last time was a computer that was had problems with the video. So in this computer, this is a much different computer. This is a much flatter computer, of course. It looks like an iMac. And it has all the neat features all in one session, in one unit. Let's put it that way. Not session, I apologize. It's still morning, I'm still waking up. So I really apologize. Okay, so anyway, as you can see here, there's my login. And everything's all set up for me. All I gotta do is click on that blue box there, and I just put my password, and you can see it's Fedora. Now this is a workstation operating system. So meaning that you can still work with your applications, you can customize, you can use your free applications inside, whether it be Office, Pictures, Adobe PDF. Well, they don't say Adobe, but they have different words of saying it. So let me go ahead and show you the little components I have here now that we can operate real quick. Here, there's the gigabit switch for the internet, for connectivity to the routers. Here's my keyboard, and there's my mouse. Now, basically, I'm going to go to the side of the computer, and I'm going to show you the power button, which is right there. And there's all the components inside, USB to headphones to Bluetooth. I got a Bluetooth device in there. And there's all my components in the back right there. As you can see, it looks just like an iMac. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to basically log into this system. As you can see, there's my mouse. I'm going to go ahead and click my name there, and there it is. See that box right there? This part is where you need to put your password. Now this is the user password. The one I just logged in right now, it's called the root password. So it goes into the root folder. Okay, it's much different than this. The first part is like a security guard. So once I tell him the password, I get inside, he lets me inside, and I go to the second part of the security guard right here. This is where I need to log in to get to the operating system. Now, in saying that, I'm going to make sure that my numlock in this right here is on. And the way it says right there, that little white light there. So I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to go ahead and see if I can log in. So bear with me. Give me 1 second. Do it nice and slow, because the operating system is very sensitive. Okay? So before I do that, I want to show you a couple things here. Right here is pretty much the settings button. Of course, the cancel. This part here is basically to show you my wireless, and my phone is actually logged into this. No, not right now, but with Bluetooth, it's actually in the computer already with with passwords and passcodes and stuff like that. So here's my wire connected. It says here I'm connected. This is my adjustments for my sound, my display. Okay. This is for the accessibility, so if you have problems with eyesight or hearing, this will give you the capability of making adjustments for yourself, as you can see there. And this is your volume in Ethernet. And it gives you the time, of course, and the day. So let me see if I can try to log in here. Okay, it's logging in now. Now, this computer has a built-in camera, which with Linux is so awesome because the drivers, the applications that support the devices in the computer are all inside the operating system. That is a really neat feature. It's sort of like Windows in the same way. Okay, see there? Okay, so this is basically something I was playing with the other night. So it's just asking me about Gnome. Gnome is another application to which it works with the with any application. Could, like in this case, it could be a Gmail here, or it could be any other type of application. So for now, I'm just going to say yes. It's asking me for my email. Excuse me. So okay, now we're in the heart of the system. So we're inside in this operating system. This is my computer. As you can see here, I pretty much customized it. And that's what I like about Linux a lot. Linux, you can actually customize the way you want. So really, really quickly, I want to show you this side here is called the application side. And you can tell here you got your favorites. It gives you all the applications to your right, your maps, your notes, your photos, everything, games, graphics, internet, office. That's really cool. Free office programs, including you can actually put on contacts, programming, sound and video, sun-dried, that's what they call it, system tools, utilities, and other. Okay? So these are just applications that run the whole system right here. Here it's called Places. Again, you have home, desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, videos, computer, which is the main root of the computer. This is the CD, the Fedora Live, which is the workstation, browse network, and then there's my name right there, or my email. So pretty much, this is the heart of the operating system. And there it is. See, I got my downloads, my desktop, almost similar what you see in Windows operating system. It's truly amazing. It's a really nice feature. Okay. So this here, basically, you can create a new folder, new tabs. Pretty much if you want to do any customization, you can do here. Gives you the options to do that. You can go to your pictures. I have no pictures at all. This is a workstation computer, so I pretty much have nothing in here. It does have, it kind of looks like a Mac platform, Mac and / PC platforms. And again, you can customize it the way you want. You can play, like I say, any type of games you want. And this Fedora unit here, this is a workstation, so I think it's only made for if you're doing a home office business and stuff like that. In my other computers, which I'll show you later, with Aurora, you can actually add different types of applications. If you want to be a gamer and stuff like that, this would be the type of operating systems you can do for. So pretty much that's it. Let me just show you one. If I go to let's say I want to do a Microsoft Office, or if you want to send an application or a document, you go where it says LibreOffice Writer. Click on that. And there it is. It's going loading up right now. This is the new version, by the way, of LibreOffice. And this is a really nice version. There it is. Look at that. Just like the Microsoft Office. But of course, this one's a freebie. So with Office, you have to pay for every year. Now they're giving you a chance to save money to subscribe to them or pay the full version. In this case, this is a freebie. So it's really cool. And it does work with application with Office and with Excel and so forth. It has a lot of tools. This is a really amazing operating system. Again, this is called Fedora 23, which I highly recommend if you're doing a lot of security applications. It does have a built-in firewall. Let me show you the little customization I can show you real quick. If I go, I just downloaded this the other day, and I think you'll really like it if you are going to give it a shot. It's called Cairo Dock. Right over here. Look at that. Cairo Dock. And look what happens. If I activate it, which is right here, because it's asking me here, allows you to use hardware acceleration, reducing CPU loading to minimum, right? So it just give you a heads up what the application is doing for you as a user. Hit yes. And look at that. It comes right there. You can see there's a docking right there, just like the Apple platform. Truly amazing. So they have different developers working on these systems, on these operating system platforms. And Cairo Dock is good for any type of Linux platform, but I just downloaded this the other day, and I was messing with it, and I love it. This is great. So again, you could do just like we could do with Windows or Mac. But I'm pretty sure Linux is going to be one day one of the big hits for all the users, and it's going to pretty much resurrect some of the computers that haven't been used. Again, if you have an old computer like a laptop, maybe that's about 3 or 4 years old, I don't recommend if you want to throw it away. If you want to save money, you'd be better off going with Linux. Again, Linux operating system platform is really the way to go. Some people may disagree, but I love it. And saves me money. I don't have to spend $300 in an operating system, but this is where to go. So let me show you another one really quick. If I go to the applications side right here, and then let's say I want to do maps. I want to go to maps. So it's going to load me the maps. Look at that. Look how easy and nice that is. I go in here and I put the section right here. It gives me the current location. And right here, it gives me the place where I can log in my information if I want to drive. Right here, it gives me the destination where my coordinates in the way. Look at that. Very nice. Kind of like the Apple's side of it. You can basically customize it the way you want. Yes, folks, I live in the beautiful Monterey Bay area. It's really beautiful. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and exit there. To exit the application, there's a little X right here. There it is. It's gone. All right, so this is basically very, very simple. Very, very, very simple. There's no way to go there and there just to get to one place. Everything is here in this platform. It's so easy to operate. If you were to run your app store, kind of like the way the Apple has the App Store, you can go here where it says software. And there it is. And from here, you can choose any software you want that really suits your style. There's stuff for investments, for emails. You want to go to the game section? There's right there. There's some. Now, yeah, you're probably asking, I never heard about these names before. Yeah, Linux has different names for games, and they have developers that name these games kind of weird, but I think you'll really love it. Like I said, once you play with it, and for a while, you definitely love this operating system, and you can use any camera, video camera to log in, to plug into this computer, and the Linux operating system will actually find plugins for your devices. So that's really, really cool. I really recommend it. Windows, I love Windows. Again, I do. I'm not saying anything bad about Windows, but I'll tell you one thing. If you're running a 2 gigabyte system, like the one I showed you last time in that last video, you run this little application here, this operating system, it'll run like a champ. And you don't have to buy no memory. You don't have to buy nothing. You just use your old system, and you can still make it work. Okay, everybody, so this is the beginning phase of pretty much how to run a system. Let me show you one more thing before I sign off. I get out of there, I go to applications, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to find where it says Yum Extender. This little tool is so nice. It looks complicated, but it's really nice, and pretty much you can do anything right here. So really quick, I'm going to put my password. And there it is. From this point on, it's going to give me the updates for the system. And I'm pretty sure there will be a lot of updates. So this is called YUM, Y-U-M extender. It's a very popular tool. I love it. There's other out there that comes with the operating system. Ubuntu has their own. It's not under YUM. It's under oh, I forgot. But it's almost similar like this one. But this one is actually the best. Okay? That little password you see there, that's the root password. Again, there's two root passwords, one for the encrypted and one for the YUM extender, or if you're running an application for software. These here will actually update your Linux operating system, including anything that's available, like a DVD application that you want to put on, themes, pictures, everything, Bluetooth applications, whatever you want. It's all coming from here. Okay, folks. Well, this is it for now. It's very simple. But again, Linux is the way to go if you have an older system, and I would recommend it. So until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to me. I'm just viewing here from the side. There it is, CD-ROM again. If you have any questions, you can subscribe to me. I'd be glad to answer those questions. Anyway, have a great day and have a blessed day. Thank you. Bye-bye.